How to edit a text message on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to edit a text message on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In the Messages app, you can unsend and edit recent messages, giving you the opportunity to fix a typo or pull back a message that you accidentally sent to the wrong person. To unsend or edit text messages, you must be using iMessage. You can completely undo a recently sent message for up to 2 minutes after sending it. However, if you just want to edit the message, then open the conversation you want to edit the text in. Make sure that to be able to edit the sent message, you can edit a recently sent message only up to 5 times within 15 minutes of sending it. So, once you have opened the conversation, tap hold on the message bubble you want to edit. In the pop-up window that appears, tap on the edit option. You will now be led to the interface where you can make the changes. So go ahead and make the necessary changes and now tap on the check mark on the right side of the text box. With this, the message has been edited. The message is marked as edited in the conversation transcript. The message bubble updates to reflect your edits on both your iPhone and your recipient's device, and both of you can tap on the edited button to see previous versions of your messages, and this is how you can edit a text message on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.